is another puppy. If you can imagine these two fighting dogs, there'd be one puppy and another puppy snuggling. Can you believe the fact? Two snuggling puppies! And a cat astray. She's retarded anyway. Alright, back under the covers. Back under the covers before they stray. Oh, come on. Oh, this is a heavy one. Oh, she's so heavy. Alright. You ready? One under the covers. Two. Two puppies under the covers. Off you go. And one half-retarded stray cat. Batting her head against the box and sitting on cookbooks. Oh, there's another one come to her rescue. Ah, with that quick sniff of the bum. Oh, everything is fine. Oh, and a quick kiss. She just realized the other one eats her tail. Eats her own tail. That's alright. She thinks she's pretty. And she is. So what do we have then? We have two puppies, one retarded kitten. Off she goes. One vain cat with a half-eaten tail.
Are you ready?
In heat.
Don't keep them waiting. Move.
Looking for her retarded sister.
The red team will cook for the army. The blue team.
Well, and me. And a foot.
50 soldiers
and a foot.
50 sailors, all hungry and waiting to